Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Flosstube. My name is Tia. This envelope is a project that I am going to be making for a sample for a retreat. Now, this is where it gets a bit confusing. This is being pre-recorded in October 23 and will be at the retreat in March 2024. So this will be done and dusted by then, but I need to show you what it is, and I'll be filming my process of creating it. It is a kit from Vintage Blend Studio, Susanna, and it is a design that she's designed as an exclusive piece for her retreat. Now the retreat's in Melbourne, so I'm going to be doing a sample for the retreat. There's a few others that are making it up as samples as well, but this will be mine. So what it is, get that out of the way. Now I've been through this and had a rummage. This was started by Susanna, but she's already doing another one. Corinne's doing one. Another friend of Susanna's is doing one. And I'm doing one. So, let me show you what it is. I'll pull everything out. Okay. So we've got a lot of fabrics here. So, remember Susanna's started this. There's some heat and bond. And it is an English village. And we will be stitching it. So Susanna's started by doing the tree. She's done a couple of rooftops. And then I'm going to carry on. So I'm going to do a Christmas village, a gingerbread village, and the whole thing is going to be Christmas. So these images that Susanna has drawn are inspired by her recent trip to the UK. So I am going to do some work on this. So what have we got here? Okay, she's cut out some pieces. Right house, so I'm guessing it's for that house. So she's heat and bonded those down. And then she's done the roof of the chapel and then the roof of the quilt shop. Right, let's have a look and see. Maybe I will just stitch down this little house. I don't know where to start. I think I'm going to do the first row. Look at that little fence, isn't that sweet? Okay. And she's had these panels made by a company. So she's drawn all the artwork and had the panels made. So, where do I start? Tree, so that's that tree, the tree in the manor, that'll be down the bottom. But if I start over here, this little piece, that's very gingerbread. Right, let me just pause the camera for a minute. Let me gather my thoughts and I will be back. Right, I've got my first little gingerbread house idea down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick these bits down. So now that's going to rub that out, but that's okay. So just let that iron heat up for a sec. Not quite ready. It's gone on itself, but that's alright. Just wait here. Wait for it to heat up. Excuse me. And then I need to do that cool down. This little piece. Probably should have done this before. Actually, I might do another bit. That's the wrong side. Okay. Now, let's draw that back onto there. Pen. Make it a bit easier to cut out. Just roughly draw that shape back in. And across the top. Okay. Cut this one out. Get them stuck on. I've got so many ideas for this project. I've been dying to start it because I love Christmas. Okay. Trim across there. Now, pop those out the way. Bring this back in. And then going to be my little house there. Peel that off. Goes down first, put that in place, ready to stitch down, and then we'll get our little rooftop, which is covered in snow, and get this paper off. There, but there. And that can go up there. I think I'll keep the little chimney. Yeah, I'll keep the little chimney. Do I want something? Put a chimney in there first. Suppose I should. What have we got for a little chimney? We can maybe stitch the chimney in. So just scoot that up a bit. Iron that into place. Okay, that's that done. I don't need that anymore. Okay, now let's draw those excuse me, shapes back in. Do a little. Oh, it's coming off because it's still hot. That's funny. Right, I'll let that cool down. I need to find some sort of candy stripes, and that probably should have gone in first, but that's okay. There we go. Let's draw this door in. Door handle. I'm going to do the windows oval shaped as well. I'm going to keep the little window box at the bottom. Not very straight, but it's just a guide at the moment. Okay, oh, that's cute. Move that little thread. Again, no, he's stuck. So we'll trim him off and we'll do some stitching. Now, what are we going to stitch it with? What have we got here? That will work. Yep. And with my little needle, we can get this threaded. Doesn't look like it's going to happen very easily. Now, where is my needle threader? Can't wait to get these nails off. Wasn't very thoughtful. It was lovely at the time. My daughter and I went together and had a little bit of a pamper session, but they're not practical. Can't do anything. Right. Cut a bit of that off. I'll do a little wee blanket stitch around the edge. Let's move all this out the way. And we will get this little gingerbread house stitched. This is going to be so cute. It's going to be a bit tough getting through those layers. Right, so I'm just going to do a little blanket stitch all the way around the outside of the snow on the roof, and I will be back. Right, my little snow top roof is all stitched down. Let me zoom in so you can see. Here it is, all stitched down. And now I need to do the sides and embroider the door and the windows. But I will leave it there for today. We'll go back out. And when we come back next time, we'll have a bit more done and we'll move on to whatever's next. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.